Well, we in Outlook Media Group, like we do a journalism which does some social good, and we always take up issues which takes up issues that are very relevant to India, and we all want India to be a very healthy nation, and we felt that nutrition is one subject which doesn't get the kind of importance that it should. We see ourselves as a great messenger, and we want to initiate a conversation on nutrition so that India progresses, and Indian people, particularly children and women, they get proper good nutrition, and that is how only we can make India to be a healthy country. And the Indian government's initiative also has been Poshan Abhiyan, and we were inspired by that. And in whatever we do, we keep the people of the country in mind. We do serious journalism, and we also talk about serious issues, and we want nutrition to be part of a household conversation, and that is why we thought that we should take this up. Well, our credo has always been that we are hatke, we are different. We don't flow with the tide. We take up issues which others don't, and that is how it has always been, at least since when I have been around at the helm of affairs in Outlook. And this is how I want to take a position. Like, we will be talking about things which maybe the rest of us are not talking about, and that is, and it is not only kind of a positioning, a brand positioning for us. We sincerely believe in this, because there are things which need to be spoken about, which need to be highlighted, and that Outlook is doing. And I am very proud of the fact that my team, our team, I am part of a team which have been taking up these issues, and we want nutrition to be spoken about, discussed, and be a part of conversation in every household in this country. Well, we thought that, because Outlook has a great name and a reputation, and when we decided to get into this nutrition field, we thought that we must get some people with gravitas. So we reached out to some friends who had domain knowledge on this subject, and we got people on board, and that we are extremely thankful to all these people who agreed. We got some very senior bureaucrats who have worked on nutrition. We got civil society members. We got a cross section of people with tremendous domain knowledge on nutrition, and we wanted it to be that way. And I am very glad that everyone responded very positively and came on board, and that actually is a great beginning to have a proper conversation on nutrition. Well, we have plans, and we have, as you know, like we have thought about a big event in Delhi on August 3, for which the Vice President Venkaiah Naidu has agreed to come, and we expect the Union Minister for WCT, Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani, to be also there, and there will be other eminent people who will be attending. But then our endeavor to talk about nutrition will not end with that event. We will take it forward, and we have plans, and we hope to unveil that plan. We are working on it, very ambitious but extremely doable, and that we hope will make a lot of difference on the ground. And we hopefully on the 3rd of August, when we have our event in Delhi, in the presence of Vice President, we will unveil our plan.